Big up Crosses TV.
Class to look out for my personal life. And for me, for a whole day or so, I can't have a food for go catch up nothing in that. And them send up for beard that the first day I go beard and I shouldn't even go beard to blood clot. A fire and I'm wire and the whole them. One Crosses TV. Bumbo clap my charge it. Why style? Long time I see you my G. My breast them I go bigger because remember you know I do fat transfer. My face I gonna get big too. My pussy, not inside, outside yes I gonna get fat too. Everywhere I gonna get fat because the fat transfer all over your body. Not one place. Well says you know. My friend said, small you can't do yet until the swelling go down. Friend, me still I tell you, I will keep on the dirty for time for wash it every day. Watch us steady back as ya. One rather. Brother, no notice. 100 away when I go say, thanks for all the information. I am going to. So this is not good in Mumbo Club. You can't stand no. You know, see people business and leave it alone. You can't, madam.
She's incredibly cool. She has really, really thick, beautiful, soft hair. And look at all those colors. She has so many variations of pink, from hot pink to baby pink to peachy pink to soft pink to dark pink. She's got a lot of colors. And her face is just so sweet. Look at her eyebrows. There's so much detail. And her lipstick, everything about her. She's just so cute. She's got on this little outfit here that actually has like a little cloak.
Thank you very much.
She's totally gonna be able to make slime with her with this.
Me just show you for me I wash it. I see uno now me wash them put in my dry and dry it for uno. So.
This one is Pixie Rose. Well,
No, now I feel like I can run pretty and style me. Yeah, that I tell you now. Me have this, them say cheap and clean, but it's one. Me have this, Get Wasted by Shamar. Blood clot and I go like, you know, post something, I'm ready for post them, it come back to bad when we do a proper something get a post. Silver are here, people. What do you know? What do you know? It's dirty. Some people put it on? It's live. Isn't it? Oh. Okay, I've made every little something them. We don't kill this. I do the right thing. CP Nayoka Wagwan. What do you know? Not like Jala idiot. I just know. Fuck do you know? I'm gonna look for the next two when you have to. You can't find them. I'm telling you, I'm in a pain. What do you know? How see the look good come in. Number one up and they look good. Berry and Cherry and Jocelyn, with the blood clot do you know. All them, a triplet them, I'm come getting a foreign. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Sweat and something and hey. Cute and girly. Pressure. Spisha. Big up yourself, you know, my God. Ice cream Nookie, you're outside. You change your name. Thanks to the look good comment. Thanks. Every look good comment is acceptable. If a girl ever ramp with me, make this young black you no. Cute and girly. You see me go take a what do you say? Fargo. Hey, them class for far, you know. We not tell you bright. But Fargo, hey, disrespectful in the blood clot. Maybe come suck my pussy back where I want it. Maybe I want you come bite up my bottom cute. No. Fuck y'all, hey girl, stop saying miracles, I block you, no. A dirty girl, you call me. You call me, I wish you spring to cover drunk up. Don't send me no request. Big pussy girl. Hey girl, leave the place. Yeah? Leave the blood clot place. And don't make no mistake and leave the place. I got skin dry my things now. I mean a washing machine and dry, you know. Not too much. I might put a bathroom in the back. Wait. Hmm? Oh, you can take it off now, man. I go wait. I can love the girl work. But let's go dry it and put it on for Uno. Yeah. I'm going to fuck you all out now. All out now. Yeah. So you can tell me what to do. This did blood up too. I'm going to rinse it out. Remember, let's suppose I'll put this nearer to me now. Ah! Wow, go down other while I go take your time, chief.
I'm telling you, they get like stickier and stickier. This one we're gonna add in the rainbow shimmer. Sprinkle a little bit on and mix. Mix all that.
Me if you see it for my good body, I must say mad no blood clot. Eh? You mad? You mad? Anything I flat out have to be the belly. Every pressure I lie right here. Me dip on my belly. You mad my body? You don't know what I'm going this.
You can do a whole lot or just a little bit. It's up to you. A whole bunch of this one. That slime and close it up. Step on the slime.
Exactly. Of course it will shrink. Little bit will come out, but then everything will go away. My man did something with the show them my class, you know. Leave my dear but you know. Never have no problem with girl. Wow. Let's see. No, alright, the first day was a disaster. I'm lay down good, because I don't understand how I just say
So pretty. That is really, really shimmery and pretty. I can even put a little bit on her cheeks too. Right here. Just a little bit of some shimmer. Down her nose.
I'm doing a socks. I have them on all day. See, you know, I'm telling you this. See socks then now. Compression socks. So what do you, man? You know my body feel tight and they'll fight me. What do you know? I'm not come out of surgery. Boy, I'm not like them people that can make you afraid from the media. The best thing you do, you just stay for the media for one little while. Brother, look how long you see me. I'm too afraid, brother.
party, but where are her friends?
Yes, but she already don't want to wear it as it is now, so imagine when. She no buy me belly. Never say me don't want to wear it. I truly not understand. Me can't bother to explain anything to every single person who watch the live. Me can't bother with that. Can't bother with that.
Here we have our little secret message. Teacup surprise, teacup party. It's a tea party. Oh, it is tea party.
So why am I put on the socks now?
All right, our next layer.
Talk to friend.
So the LOL baby's gonna color change.
Them hard for go on for my foot. Leave. Oh God. Them tight.
Here's the first surprise.
Me have new socks. Me have socks. So me take off this not too long. About say 1, 3, 4 hour, 5 hours. So I don't even remember.
White and blue baby bottle. Oh, there's the next surprise.
Jesus Christ.
What is inside?
The dryer go shrink it. You know go in Nigeria. It's a spin dryer. Me a spin dryer. Then put Nigeria feet dry fast. We say don't put Nigeria like how me not go put it on tonight.
Open it up and we have look at her.
Nothing now do my girl. Oh God.
So she's from the Storybook Club.
We're not
She's
done.
a curious cutie. Like Alice in Wonderland, baby.
Me see rolling up something like them, something and look how rolling them big. If rolling them so big and them now we're about blood clot. One of for me we're about blood clot for.
A big black bow, so we can put her bow on her head and she can put her shoes on
Yeah.
too.
Now for Lord you can see them.
Fun. All right, here is cutie.
We are
Would you
weird
like to
fun
taste
day.
her drink?
Fargo.
She can
One
come on
day.
over.
Leave it and eat it. I mean not take it off. Watch and see. I eat me read your comment. No problem with Fargo. Fargo she's and Fargo should stay. Leave her alone. Let's put on people too much. All the poor far out and come far. Yeah?
I want to go swimming. All right, who wants to go swimming? I do. All right, so we'll have both these girls get into the pool. Yay!
Alright, so I'm gonna get some clean socks. Because I take those off and I bathe already. No, tidy. Because them see me no. Oh! Leave me alone.
Right here we have the stickers.
I don't have nobody here to help me. Honestly. And one thing with me, I don't give a fuck.
First surprise. Oh,
Blood I run free. When me I do my blood test, them tell me some of my blood is very rich and pouring. Nothing cladding.
you can see the surprise right there.
Nothing I do me. Stop that. Stop that no man.
We'll just peel off this layer too. There we go. And here's our other surprise. First surprise blind bag. Oh, we've got a
Them can raise my blood pressure.
have some red
I drink my apple juice. No.
See which baby it is. Crack it open and here. Open it up and we have another baby that has stripy leggings. Well, let's get her all dressed in
mean,
her outfit. Let's see. We have
big.
One shoulder little outfit.
Can't slap it
One
no.
sleeve. There we go. Have her little
Wait
outfit
till she
on.
get
Put
better.
her boots on. And what does she have? Oh, she's got these little
I
horns.
saw it go. We are baby now. Cause if me could have sit on up, this could have happened a while ago.
Yes, baby. Oh no.
I don't need no BBL pillar.
Ooh, this is spice. All right, so now we
Me
have
not,
spice.
listen, you know, come boy here for me now. I use my pillar, and that is blood clot. You know, come boy the pillar now.
Do not get things from my hand, okay? Spice. Cupcakes.
Rose, you see your man with big body? Mama black you. Cause if you no body big every time you know blood clot shit you don't have to be a kind of thing. One. But did he ask you that? But never ask you that, mama. In a real life. But never ask you that. You come over here muggle pan girl. Where you know blood clot born with your buyer. Me said that. Remember good and me said that.
No spice.
Or you live in blood clot ways, that's why I'm deal with the chest first. You understand? Yeah.
Spice right down here.
And I break me a blood clot, you know. Remember them line there? Remember good that Woody said that.
Be on time.
So we don't bad with you. Every girl I buy with them not bad with.
Pick up the cupcakes.
Oh, so girl go on. Come on, bagel for me boy, you big body boy. It's like, who asked that question there a while ago?
To yourself, you pushed over the cupcakes.
For the first day it was at. Alright, so the machine done.
All right, if you don't want to be on timeout, go pick up the cupcakes that you pushed over, okay? Spice, don't do that. Okay, then you
Exactly.
Do you want to go swimming yet? Does your tummy feel better? Do you need to go potty at
Do
all?
your cartoon.
Okay, then do you want to go swimming?
You know the kids them have to watch a cartoon and stuff
Wait a
to
minute.
keep them quiet, right?
Oh no, she's going again. No. Oh, okay. Little curious cutie. Come on, you need to go to the bathroom. Ew.
That me say Diva.
So she's going inside. A little
Them come and
spicy,
tell me about blood clot.
so let's open up this envelope.
I will go bite up 2 onions and free up the bloodline and only can make me do that. Cause I don't have a temperature, I don't have a headache. So only couldn't tell me nothing about my blood. First of all, I have every little thing for test up right now if anything occur. And God's not gonna make that occur. So sometimes and if it does speak positive energy in the atmosphere, blood clot fear. Let the universe hear positivity. When I tell me about blood clot for next minute to the mouth of danger, no, not do you know. I'm going to put on the socks, car. No, the deadly boy, yeah. The deadly for you on the mouth can be very catching. You can't manage to put on the socks. I eat me, I tell you now. I'm going to lay down on my pillow, them, I'm going to put my something over it. And any girl have a problem with that, you know, come suck my pussy now. If I done blood clot, this my one for her.
She's absolutely adorable. So let's see, which baby is she? Let's get her all dressed up.
You feel good?
Oh, this looks like a little mermaid.
What the next one there?
Put her on it. So here she is, all dressed up in her outfit. Oh, she's got another accessory. Oh, she has a beautiful little necklace. A pink pearl necklace. No way, it's the ultra rare Splash Queen. She is a super duper cute baby, so she's gonna love getting into the pool. Do you want to go in the pool with me? I love swimming.
Anybody say nothing about that unu mega angle? No angle people. And if you say nothing phony, I angle you to pass one more day, give me baby. I want to push up. You want?
Wait a minute. What are you whispering and saying to her? Nothing. Okay, I think she still has to go potty, so I don't think she's ready to go into the pool yet. No, it looks like these other two babies, they've already taken off their shoes. They're gonna dive in. Ready to jump? 1, 2, 3. Oh, phew. They jumped into the water. All right, Spice, how's it going up here? Did you pick up all the cupcakes that you pushed over? And I made new cupcakes. Wait a minute. How did you do that? You had time to make cupcakes?
I know this is going to make your life better. You think when you say me I go do it, now make me name shit do it. Now make me take what me not for take.
Actually, they do taste good, but there's like some sort of weird taste there.
So me angry. Come on, look for me.
No. All right, you're on timeout again. I don't want to go on timeout. Well, you should have thought about that before you made super extra spicy cupcakes. Bad baby. Okay, so Spice is on timeout. Let's see if there's any babies that want a color change. So here I have some icy water. Here.
Once everything's perfectly organized.
I feel all hot just putting on the socks.
Curious cutie, you want to go first? Okay. All right, so let's have her hop in and let's see if she color changes at all. Put her in the icy water. Let's take off her bow. Does she have any color change? Nope. I don't see any color
Just
change.
like how you poop with the blood clot there. You're going to let me have one big sour body.
Oh no. Okay.
You shit just like how you shit and poop, just like how you poop. Where you ask me say, may I block you? Ask me to fuck you over here. You know when I come with it. Go back where you're coming from, bitch. When I like people, can't hear me. 1 cute and 2 girly over here, so don't ask me that. Know yourself before children, them have to grow themselves. A family will see if you see the funeral and can't show themselves. Suck your mother, girl.
Very cute. And of course, as soon as she splashes back into the pool, the stars go away, and so do the stripes. I want to go. All right, let's have little surfer babe hop in. Can she color change at all? No, not on her wetsuit. Right, what?
She's gonna have one big everlasting body, girl. Come on. My body is not that big. Too extra. You see the girl with the ass shot, fit them body big.
They go away.
Them body they huge.
Okay. All right, come on over here. So let's have her hop on in.
Berry, Cherry, and Jocelyn. Yeah? Every time you come around, I ride it like a car, girl. Cute. That me like too. Me like when them natural. Me like doing the natural things. Them no listen to who wants to what. I know you, me blood clot, I do nothing for me. I do it for me. No, the after pin after 3 days, you're good. If you're not girly. Berry, Cherry, and Cherry, and Jocelyn. From a scale 1 to 10. Why shit? That's a 10. Honestly. Me do everything. Me not must full up my hip dip when it's sinking. Remember my band with big hip. The man just full up my hip dip. Thank you very much. Cute and girly. Flat bottom. Yeah, but then my body did really flat, but I didn't have like a hip. Cute. And the man full up the dip. Yeah. Wonder man, I wonder how much I have to pay. Girl, go over the place now. But now I work with the people them because them have to pay me for this. DM if you're interested, me tell you I wish for. Me not big them up and no live where I go viral for people put on YouTube and them go here now. Once they don't know me, I know you know. What she is something deal.
Here we have a secret code. Music, no camera, music video. Here are the secrets.
Maybe like a clad.
Baby is hiding inside of this pink ball. Surprise! Oh, surprise! Whose baby sister is it?
All is well, sweetie, all is well. Honey bunch! Bumbo clad! Honey bunch wagwan! Jaja, honey bunch, I haven't been on the gram for a while. What it, girl, pretty man, me black you. Pretty man, me black you. Pretty me black you for the least little thing, cause right now, I'm gonna tell you this. My thing not stay gram normally now, you know. My thing tough like rocks, so man, me black you. But the blood clam me, I do that in the public, girl. Girl, we can fly. Nah, black car, she don't say nothing bad. Me just tell her, no, you see over here, so we can fly. Forgot that man in car republic. Nah, black car, man. When the bitch come from my life, come say with them if it's the black head now. Suck your mother, I don't know you. And if I know you, black you and then unblack your back, because you're too much. Cute and girly. Mm-hmm. Oh, we go over here, son. We got a go to the counter and purchase, get a good doctor to work, and everybody go buy things. And it, boy, I'm here to say the man give me an hourglass moment to say. Doctor man, stop call up your name to you know, okay. Suck your mother, me have. Maybe a 100 page job and 100 I never gonna get black. Maybe me say stop send me requests. I know you not call me and ask me if I'm good. Don't send me no requests. As a friend, I'm gonna give me blood clot new number. You should have been reach out like when you reach out. You have a nasty Sagittarius style. Yeah.
Alright, what do we have? What do we have? So this little sister.
cute diva.
It's a mermaid baby. And who is this? Oh, look at her with her beautiful two-toned hair. It's Little Dollface. And they have lots of surprises for your sister.
Thank you, done by Tuk Tuk Lollipop. Tuk Tuk Lollipop on Instagram. Yeah, guys, go and get it. You know the doll. We can't bother for doing no baby ear and them something there. Yeah. And the root is natural. Yes, like a good distance away about here, so. Right now, natural root is here. See, natural blood clot root, no cream there in this. No perm there in this shit. Pedigree. One pedigree, cute and girly. There we go. Murder in a Webidaya. The ear. Lati Dallop. That's it. Thank you so much, doll. Them did say them never see nobody do breast before. Thank you, friend. How we go? I know that. Remember me come out and say, are you lifting weights? Some attack the top before I deal with the bottom. Guys, me did done. Me say, listen, let me say something to you. See everything I say I want to do. Maybe me nah add you. I add so good man yeah. Nyam for.
Here's the first baby. It's not a mermaid. She's got twin sisters.
Bitch, my add you.
And here we have.
Bitch, my add you.
And we have. That looks like a little basketball. Half of the shape of a basketball. And who else do we have?
Then me can manage them too, in there. Them time me have money like dirt. You could have more than do it and do an eye and a ears and everything. Cheat at everybody. You mad? You have to do my breast first. Because that me did say, are you lifting weights? Lifting weights part come from what are you doing at the chest? People just dumb. Now one go me now go back and I do one a big thinking body. The blood clot walk with all the place. And my response to the girl in a big thinking body me did too flat. Brother me did too flat. I'm sit down extra. I sit down more down. I sit down my friend. Latina. Flat. Body and back in a one. That no way in them area. Your mother may have life. They say pussy clot. When would I take up my money and give some people? Why me can't take that and spend it for myself? No, everybody knows some have a flat bottom. Yeah, bottom flat for two. I mean, invent the booty pop them, you know, in my community. I mean, I first girl who wear a booty pop in my community. I'm not afraid the girl is to trouble me. Ratty! A blood clot, Ratty! A Ratty! A Ratty! Miss one! Well, Kizzy! A blood clot, can eat again. Hey, come look here, sir. Cute and girly. The girl is to lick them body and rub it up. Them know me have the blood clot booty pop, cause them have body, you know. Yeah? I mean, I have no body. Every time I put on the shorts, them, they say all you see is straight. Oh, them time they stress on my best friend. Man stress that kill me. Make here when we eat, we can't put on no weight. Yeah, that's body big. That's body big. One thing that you don't want to do our breasts and our belly. That's body big, big, big. And then trouble, hey girl, come look on this now. Big body girl.